In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Freshsales subscription. We'll move through the exact places in Freshsales suite where subscription changes are managed, so by the end you'll be in the right spot to review your plan and initiate a cancellation. Before we begin, a quick note. Only users with admin or billing permissions can access subscription settings. If you don't see some of the options I mentioned, you may need to ask your account owner to grant you access. Start from the Activities dashboard in Freshsales suite. This dashboard is a familiar home base that highlights recent tasks, meetings, calls, and other to-dos. Being on this page ensures you're in the correct product area and signed into the right account, which helps avoid confusion if your organization uses multiple Freshworks products. If your layout looks slightly different, that's normal. Freshsales updates its interface from time to time, but the page name remains the same. From here, open the admin settings. Look for the settings icon in your navigation. Depending on your layout, it could appear as a gear or labeled as admin or settings. This section is designed for account-wide configuration, so everything related to users, security, and billing lives here. If the option isn't visible, it's typically a permissions issue. Reach out to an internal admin to proceed. Taking a moment now to verify you're in admin settings will save you time later. Inside admin settings, select plans and billing. This is the central hub for your subscription. It shows your current plan tier, the number of seats, your billing cycle, the next renewal dates, and your saved payment method. You can also view past invoices and receipts here, which is helpful for record keeping. Most importantly, this area is where cancellation, downgrades, and other subscription changes are initiated. Take a minute to review the plan details so you understand exactly what will be affected. Before you proceed with any change, consider a few practical tips. Check your renewal date to avoid unexpected charges, especially if you're close to the billing cycle. If your team needs data after canceling, make sure it's exported or backed up according to your organization's policies. If you manage multiple subscriptions under Freshworks, confirm you're in the correct product's billing page. Once you're in plans and billing and have reviewed your details, follow the on-screen prompts provided there to complete the cancellation. Read each confirmation carefully. Note any proration or end-of-term specifics, and keep a copy of the confirmation for your records. That's it. You've navigated to the exact place in Freshsales suite where subscription cancellations are handled, and you're ready to finalize the process confidently.